Today we are at UCODE. UCODE is the Universal Conference on Digital Engineering, which is an amazing event where all kind of people of different industries come together to talk about digital engineering.
The reason that we organize UCODE is that we eventually want to connect the whole industry. The industry is lagging behind in digital transformation, and by connecting people we eventually achieve a huge advancement.
UCODE and events like this have the possibility of pulling people together that can combine ideas, combine new technologies, trial out stuff that you can work together to solve that problem that we have.
I'll be speaking about how we really connect people and technology. It's really about understanding the new skills, the new challenges that are coming up, and how we can resolve those by thinking differently, engaging with people and companies like VIKTOR.
We really need to find partnerships. And I think that is very important to make parametric design successful. So that is one thing that I definitely take with me.
I'm super proud that we organized this event for almost 200 people, and I definitely want to thank everybody attending, coming from the UK and France and from the Netherlands. I hope to see you next year.